Hello, welcome to Talented Developer. For latest update and notification, please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Hello guys, so now we are going to learn about Stripe billing. So what is Stripe billing? Stripe billing is a recurring billing engine integrated within the Stripe platform. So you are providing some services to the user and you need to charge them, right? So definitely you have to generate one invoice. So how you can generate your invoice? So it can comes under two conditions. Like suppose you are providing some services only for one time, okay? So definitely you have to charge only one time, so you can create one bill only for first time. And another thing, like you can charge like recurring, suppose for yearly, monthly, quarterly. So there is two kinds of things you can see here. Next one, like here, if you see here in this PPT presentation, what I'm showing you here, we are having invoice that comes under manual, and one is also comes under automatically. So what is manual? Manual, sometime we can say like one off invoice that we have to generate only first time, okay? Next one is automatically, that means like it have to generate automatically and it have to charge automatically to the customer. So let's begin to the manually. So manually we can say sometime one off. So one off invoice are used to request payment for a specific good or services, like here including the discount or taxes. For example, we can say like we are going to generate invoice for delivering a physical good, okay? So that will comes under manually, that has to comes only one time. So how we can create manually? So first step, definitely we need a customer. That means like we have to create first of all one customer, like you are going to charge for whom? To a customer. Which customer you have to create? And after that we have to generate one of voice. So how we can generate one of voice? So definitely Stripe provided so many API that will comes under invoice API. So we have to use invoice API. In that one we need to add customer ID, then we need to add their amount and currency like it will comes under which one, USD or whatever things. And after that we have to create one invoice. So when you created, you will get one ID. So that will comes everything manually. That manually, just remember it have to be only one time. So now move to the other section, like automatically. So what is automatically? When we are going to generate invoice or like going to generate bill to your customer periodically, here periodically means like monthly, quarterly, yearly, it depends on how you are going to provide your services. So how we will do like that one? So definitely here we need to focus on product and plan. So before creating any kind of subscription, first we have to create the product. Like you are going to charge some amount to a customer, so definitely you have to first of all create a product, like for which product are you going to charge. That means here product represent the services you intend to offer to your customer, right? So here there is two kind of product. One is goods and one is services. So goods are intent for use for order API, means here like dealing with physical or digital product. So here it help you to manage pricing and inventor, automatically calculating their shipping charge, tax, all the things. So inside that one we will go, and if you learn you will get like product, SKU, stock keeping unit, and order also. So here product having two types, one is goods and one is services. So for good we have to use order API, while for services we are going to use subscription. So we are going for the subscription side, like that means like services. So we are going to learn automatically services, okay? So first in that one we have to create one product. Once we have created a product, after that we have to give the plan. Plan means like here how much amount you are going to charge. So inside the plan, here we need to enter the product ID, then amount, and after that we need interval like day, week, month, year, how you are going to charge, okay? So next one is licensed and meter usage. So here, what is license and meter usage? So plan contain the information for how to price the product like currency, billing interval, amount and pricing tier. There are two mode of usage for the plan. Suppose you are having a plan, so definitely there is two mode of usage. One is license and one is meter. So here licensed usage allow you to set the number of unit of subscription item, like when we are going to create or update the subscription. So here you can set the quantity. Okay, in meter plan, like we have to total usage, we have to calculate like how much you have used. According to the usage we are going to charge every month. Like if you are getting your internet connection, so they will charge like how much usage you have done. Okay, one is like license, so you can set quantity like for this amount you will get this amount of internet usage. So that will comes under license and meter usage. Next one is tiered billing. So here it is little bit more complex, but already Stripe handle very perfectly. So here what is tiered plans? So here tiered pricing allow you to change the cost per item at quantity. So you provided some services to its user, like with $10 you can call our API 100 times. After that, if we are going to extend, I'm going to charge $5 for the 10 API. So this will comes under tiered billing. Next one is like how we can create automatically payment like recurring. So first of all we have to define our product and pricing plan. Already I discussed. Okay, so in next video I will show how we can create our product, how we can add the pricing plans. Then if you once we have done with this one, then we have to create one customer. Okay, so once your pricing plan is ready, customer is ready, then just we need to take the customer ID of that and just we need to subscribe the plan. So this will comes under this way. So here we need to focus on the subscription also. So here we can use subscription for this following things like add one time cost, discount if you subscription payment, or like you can give free also, charge taxes and trial period also. Like sometime if you are going to use some new services, so they will give like 1 month free trial period. So you can also provide your customer like first month you are not going to charge a single penny also, but after that you are going to charge. So like you can subscribe so many different plans, and you can also control the bill of the customer. So this is video comes under like how we are going to learn about billing. So we have understand how we are what is billing, how we can going to next step also. So in next video we are going to learn how to create a product and plan. Okay, so we will see in next video. Thank you guys.